I wanted to compare three popular corded vacuums. So these are not battery vacuums. These all have a cord that you will need to plug in, and tell you a little bit about the difference. So these obviously look very similar, and one of them looks quite different. The one that looks different is Eureka. The two over here that look similar are both made by Shark. I'm going to tell you the difference in those as well. One thing to notice is Eureka, what I would consider more of a traditional vacuum cleaner, is going to be significantly heavier. It's not heavy for a vacuum. I'm just saying it's heavier than the stick vacuums. That's one huge advantage of the stick vacuums, is how lightweight they are. So it has this really large dust container, which is great, significantly larger than the two Sharks. It has 5 settings here. It's very easy to adjust the height, and it even tells you bare floor, low carpet, up to high carpet, so depending on how shaggy your carpet is. It has a very good filtration system. It comes with attachments. I like that the attachments have a place to store right here. Now there are 3 attachments, and there's only 2 places to store them. The third one I stuck up here just temporarily. I think it would be improved if they had a place to store the third attachment. Move over to the Sharks. The orange one in the middle is the Shark HV301. It's the ultra light. It's actually 7.6 pounds, where the one beside it, the maroon color one, is 8.6 pounds. It is the Rocket Deluxe Pro. Again, both of these are corded. Shark does make cordless ones that are battery powered. One of the things to mention here on the difference between these two, the Deluxe Pro does have LED lights on the front of it. The ultralight one does not. Again, they're both very lightweight and significantly lighter than Eureka. The Deluxe Pro also has a larger dust cap as well. Place where it collects the dirt and dust is larger than it is on the ultralight one. As far as performance, they're exceptional. The reviews stand by that. Not a matter of how well these clean, but again, whether you want the extra features of the larger dust cap and the LED lights, or if you'd rather it be a little bit lighter weight. 3 popular vacuum cleaners. I hope this video has been helpful. Letting you see them side by side sometimes is helpful, and explaining to you the differences.